What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. And today is April the 22nd April. I want to do a little quick unboxing that I got in the mail. And it's just something quick. I will put in the description. It's probably going to be real short because it's only one package. But I want y'all to see what it is. I did a video earlier about the Fire Stick that I received from Shronny Johnny that is loaded with retro games. And where you can play retro games off of your Fire Stick. All you need is controller and the right setup, and you can do it. So if you also want to get some of that, just go check out. Hit me up and we can link up with Shronny Johnny, and we can also knock out, get you a Fire Stick as well. Where you can play all the retro games from there. So this right here, wireless controller. We need one that's compatible with like Android, because we are using it we need the remote so we could actually go live. Well, not go live, but so we could go and do the thing on there. We just want a remote, so I don't know why I'm trying to be hard with this thing. I can just rip it open. Be trying to save the box. It comes with, as you can see, we have an upgraded version of this one that you could use, because when you link your Fire Stick to the controller, you gonna link it. You're gonna have a button on here that tell you where you need to link your phone, your Fire Stick, and your controller together. That way you don't have to use the remote. So this is right here. It's a more updated version where I can use this. I like this color. Look at it. And it came with also comes with a manual. The manual and stuff on here, so you can see what's popping with it. And it comes with a cord, so you can charge it up. So, but it is wireless. It's a wireless one. That way I can actually be able to play the game. And I will do a video on how we do the game and stuff on there. But just remember that the reason we got this set up is so we can play retro games. Shronny Johnny know all the setup, so we gonna go through the TheJ Jordan production. We go to the Shronny Johnny production, and we're gonna knock it out for you. Just remember, all you gotta do is cut the Fire Stick on, go through the regular setups. I'll probably do a video on how you're supposed to do it, and so you can know what's going on. Then you have to link your controller to your Fire Stick. That way you can have a playable thing, so when you go to your retro game app, you'll be able to play all the games from like different systems and based on what we put on there for you. But with that being said, whatever you gotta do stuff at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I would say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Time to get the retro games. Yeah!